I work for mattress machinery more than 20 years, and I would like to share something good for mattress industry, also for the mattress production. All my friends, really nice to see you again from here. In our last live streaming, and we are trying to introduce some good mattress spring, pocket spring units for all our friends. So, my friends, from here, can you see here? This is special cotton fabric for the high quality pocket spring units. This one. This is not produced by ultrasonic device. No, this is by sewing machine, automatic sewing machine, professional for sewing the special pocket spring units for luxury medium mattress. Okay, now in Europe, this is very popular, especially in UK. This is very popular. This one is the same. This one now in China, okay, we make this kind of special the pocket by hands more. This is by hands. And inside, you see, we have some thread inside for make the connection. This is very good pocket spring units, and also the pressure is very stable after using 5 or 10 years. Yes. Hi, all my friends. Okay, for this mattress, now I'm sure in UK the rich people they like this kind of pocket too much, because the first thing is this kind of pocket is glueless. That means no glue, because it's connected by thread. Okay, this is the cotton thread. The fabric also is the cotton fabric, okay, and they have support spring. Yeah, this is the spring. Usually they have about 20 pieces spring for the 4 sides. So when you sit at the edge of the mattress, is much stronger, it's more comfortable. So this is now in China. For this kind of pocket spring, for good mattress, now in China is more and more popular now. But today, I would like to show you the traditional pocket spring production. The traditional, that means by ultrasonic device sealed the non-woven or knitted fabric. Okay, non-woven fabric or knitted fabric for the pocket spring, and also this is glue with glue. Today we will focus on the introduction for this. Okay, follow me. So my friends, beside me is the pocket spring machine. This machine now is the key machinery for good mattress production, big production, especially the pocket spring units mattress. Now, in the world, this is the big trend for the mattress production, correct? So the pocket spring units mattress, it really starts from this machine. Okay, all my friends. Here, this machine, we have a lot of working videos which is from our customer's factory. So you could search us, Zolytech, okay, in our social medias, and then you could find us. Most of the machinery working videos, especially in customer's factory and customer factories running performance. This is the best sample and the reference for all your team. So if you have any questions or problems, you could leave your message in our comments. So please search Zolytech and also make follow or like on our social media, okay, especially YouTube or Facebook, all the social medias we have. So leave us the message in the comments and we will reply you as quickly as possible. So now let's get down to the point for this machine. I would like to make a general introduction for how to make the pocket spring from steel wire directly. Okay, so for this machine, we could finish all these jobs. All my friends, how to make pocket spring units from steel wire directly. Okay, the first, the wire, we could choose the diameter from 1.7 to 2.2 mm diameter of the steel wire. Why? Because different customers or different usage situation, we will choose some special certain diameter for the wire, correct? So now in China, we choose 1.7 and 1.9 mm diameter. We choose this more and more popular because of the high compression pocket spring. So this machine, it could make the traditional pocket spring and also could make the high compression pocket spring. High compression, okay? So how to make this? This we have one core technology theory, that is heat coiling process. Heat means everybody knows the steel wire. Before coiling, we must make the wire heat because it's much more easier to make the bed, correct? Make the coil springs. So we add this technology process, heat process on this machine. And also, this is the machine head. So make the coil. So after heat and then coil, and then we will make the temperature come down and then make the compress, then transit to the pocket directly. So all these procedures will be finished in this machine. So my friends, please check. as you see, all about the hot coiling process in pocket spring manufacturing. Today, okay, we will try our best to explain this to you. Can you see? This is, okay, can you see? This is a device for the heat, okay, the heat process. Can you see? The heat the wire before coil it. Often we call the hot coiling process. Is a crucial step in making pocket springs. The main idea is to change the physical properties of the steel wire to enable faster, high-quality production, and ultimately to make a better spring and a better mattress. Okay, so this we make the high temperature we call the heat, and then okay, and then the hot steel wire will transit to this head. This is the coiling head. Can you see? That is the coiling head. Specifically, this process has several key goals and functions. The main goal: make spring shape easier and production more smoothly. Make the steel wire softer and easier to bend. Cold wire is very strong and hard. Forcing it to bend requires a huge amount of force, which use more energy and also can easily damage the machine motors and the critical spare parts from this head. So, if the steel wire is hot, this solid head is very hard to make the coil, and also the parts inside, the parts is very easy to broken. So we must make the heat treatment before bend the steel wire to the springs. Okay. Make the wire more flexible and ductility. Heating makes the wire soft and more flexible to bend. It can be easily bent and wound into precise spiral shape. This is the foundation for the pocket spring machine to run at high speeds steadily, and it greatly reduces machine wear and materials waste. Key effect: improve the spring's internal stress for ultimate performance. So, my friends, can you see? This spring compression must be stable. My friends, I have one key word for you. That means sag. Okay. So, for example, if the compression is not stable, after using few days or few months, there will be sagged in some cotton spot. Correct? So this is the key points for the mattress quality. So create a perfect foundation for final performance. This process creates a good base for the spring. If further heat treatment is needed later, it ensures the spring achieves the best elasticity and resistance to sagging. Keep the mattress feeling new for longer. So, all my friends, so how to keep the internal stress? This is very important. So this wire, we have to relieve. We have to relieve the external stress, okay, internal stress. So we have to relieve this. This is the key points for stable usage of the springs. So that depends the quality of the mattress in customer's home. So my friends, I wish I could explain this clearly to all our friends, to you. If you have any questions or comments, please follow and like Zolytech social medias, okay, in YouTube or Facebook like this. And also it's very easy to find our contact information, especially the WhatsApp number and also or WeChat. So all my friends, we are waiting for you. We will not just have the pocket spring machine. Also, me and Zolytech, we could supply one-stop solution for all the mattress production machinery. Also, we could supply the mattress production line. So we could support a one-stop solution to all our friends, and also include the wire and also the lower. If you are interested, also you could leave the message to us. So, search Zolytech, like and follow. Okay, now let's continue. Just now we are introduced the hot treatment and make the corner, correct? So, the real value of the hot coiling process is that it allows the production of pocket springs that meet the high standards of premium mattresses. The springs made this way are extremely consistent in performance. This means that a core made of thousands of these springs can provide precise zoned support perfectly, meeting the demands of modern sleep technology for comfort and healthy spine alignment. So my friends, for this pocket production machine, so after heat treatment and then make the coil, so after come out, okay, the springs, they will be transit through this structure, this part we call magnetic conveyor, then transit to the next process, that means compress. So during this time, there is one big fan will make the temperature cool down, correct? So make the compress transit to the pocket. So the pocket is produced by ultrasonic device. So all my friends, we also install this structure on one machine together. So all these processes we install in one machine and make them working very smoothly. Let me show you the ultrasonic device. Okay. Okay, my friends, this is the low oven, and this is ultrasonic device for seal the side, okay, for the side of the pocket. And this is another, the second one, ultrasonic device for make the pocket device, okay, one by one. Go down and make the seal by ultrasonic device structure. So, can you see? we already collect the following process in one machine. That means this model, okay, the pocket spring machine. So the hot treatment process, the bent process, the press process, the pocket process by ultrasonic device. In summary, the hot coiling process is much more than just making bending easier. It is a comprehensive system and a core technique step that guarantees production efficiency, springs performance, and ultimately the comfort and the duration of the final mattresses. So all my friends, we put all the process necessary for making the pocket spring in one machine. That is Lianrou Zolytech Pocket spring machine. And also we could make these springs more than 4 kinds of springs for special usage situation. The first is the mattress, correct? And the second, we could make sofa springs, also this one, sofa springs. And also have some special pillow springs. So if you're interested, also we could make samples for all of you. And also we could make very, very short, small, it's not mattress, but it's also used at home. That spring is only 8 to 10 cm thickness or the height. So, my friends, if we have any other special pocket springs or the bonnet springs, please follow Zolytech and also like Zolytech from the social medias. No matter you're the boss or no matter you're the manager in charge of the marketing and also the production, no matter you're the sale or you're the operator, we are waiting for you here. And we could share more information about the mattress production to all of you. So my friends, we are waiting for you, and please leave your valued message in the comments. We will reply you as quickly as possible. So today we already finished the introduction about the procedure of the pocket spring units. From steel wire directly, we collected all the processes in one machine and working very smoothly. The highest speed, it could be 300 pieces springs per 1 minute. We could make this. We have this technology now. Let me show you. So all my friends, okay. For making this pocket, this is the traditional, correct? This is the traditional pocket spring units for the main mattress, the main good quality mattress, because the pocket spring mattress now is the trend in all over the world, correct or not? Maybe in some Africa or some Middle East, they still like the bonnet spring, but now most of the countries, they prefer more soft pocket spring mattress, correct? So for this one, and also now our team, Lianrou Zolytech, okay, now we have a high compression pocket spring machine. So this machine, how to run, how to make this one, now I will show you, okay? We already have one factory for making the pocket spring units also. Let me show you. It's in our other workshop, it's near here. Give me 10 seconds. Hello, my friends. This is some of our pocket. Let me show you. Can you see? And this is our factory for the pocket. All my friends, can you see? This is the high compression. Here, I think is about 28 cm. The height is about 28 cm. This is a high compression for American market. And the diameter of this one is 1.9, 1.8 mm diameter for the steel wire. This one, and also zone function. This is a harder. This is a thin steel wire. The pocket. Yes. I will show you more how to run the pocket screw factory. Let's go. This is a single size. We use the forklift to make. This is the steel wire warehouse. This is 1.6 mm diameter of the steel wire, and we have about more than 5 different diameter of the steel wire for the pocket, only for the pocket. This is the traditional. This is about 18, less than 20. This one they have is less than 20. Yes. For this is non-woven fabric. Let me show you.
Yêu kèm làm mình làm cái là ta nhưng mà mình chụp cuốn giá
Non-woven fabric here. So how much density it depends on you. Because you can use 17 to 80 or 90 percent of the value. So
mấy cái
the density
mình bước đầu sau đó
depends on you. So, if you need any more information, please don't hesitate to leave the message to me as well. So, we are waiting for you here. We are waiting for you in the comments. We are waiting for you. So, please follow and like Zolytech channels in social medias. Okay? So this. We call it PK. This is very, very clean. Actually, the raw material is the same as non-woven, okay? But now, in American market, they use the highest standard. That means PK. Can you see here? So, if you're interested, we could send you the specifications by email or WhatsApp. Okay? So now, let's move to the next process. Thank you very much, Mr. Ayman. And also, HC, thank you very much for watching our live streaming from Zolytech. So if you have any questions, Abi, if you have any questions, get me, Zolytech. Mr. Sinan, Ajugus, and Ayman, Asin, also Ahmed, thank you very much for watching Zolytech live streaming for the Pocket spring machine. This is the high compressor Pocket production line.